your communication, your like the engagement, your involvement, right? And then your way of like the doing things, actually the foundation for the team to become successful, to follow you, to be guided by you, and to actually sometimes very scared to talk to you unnecessary thing because you hold people accountable. Good? Yeah. Okay. Yes. And because the work is not that difficult, but the dealing with people is the most difficult thing. There's a lot of skill to do. It does. It also practice. All right. Was I excited too much? I hope you guys do not get scared about me. No, okay. Sorry. All right. So based on this, like the way I have described everything, that's exactly you have to do. Mm-hmm. People call the feature, they call the component, module, this and that, nothing. It's the same thing. Okay? Just different wording. Yes, different wording based on this. So now let me prove you next 10 minutes the landing page. Look at the landing page. Landing page is very important for any company, right? Go. Look at this landing, this is called the landing page, all the way. Mm-hmm. This is called the landing page. And you see the landing page, how many sections? So you see landing page can have hundreds of user story. Am I right? Yes. Hundreds. Because you need to do all of this. And there will be a front end involved, there will be back end involved. There will be admin involved. This all you can do two way. You can do dynamical way, or you can do actually the static way. Static way means you are giving the developer like this all this text, developer will be adding. Dynamic way is where we are actually adding on the admin panel through the backend, and it will be displaying right away here. So the home page, normally, most of the company do static way. Why? Then loading become faster. Because if you develop the web application and the homepage loading is super slow, people will run away. So remember, in the homepage, now you're learning the technical terms. In the homepage, things should be lightweight. There should not be many API involved.
Like it shouldn't be complicated, just in a basic way.
Yes. And that's the reason, if you do not understand, you can ask that we need the UI UX designer. Those person is a good people. You don't need to know everything. So in this homepage, look at this is a section. So this section need to be built, right? There is a section. This section need to be built, correct? There is a section here. There is a section. This section need to be built, either static or dynamic. This is the latest code. This is another section. It need to be built. And this is the professional service. This is the section need to be built. And this is the course. This is the course, the program, this need to be built. This is the another section need to be built. This is actually the main section need to be built. And all this need to be built. All icon need to be bring here. And actually all this on the header need to be built. That's the reason I gave actually the feature name landing page. So because this is not a user story, it cannot be done one day. It's like 400 user story. Correct. So does it make sense now? Mm-hmm. So then we call another was what? The user panel. That's what I said, the user panel. For my program? Yes. User panel. Yes, user panel, I said. So to do this user panel, let's talk about this. To do the user panel, you have a huge journey. What type of journey? Enrollment is another journey. Enrollment is another journey. What is the enrollment is? So say an example, if you go to the course, software quality assurance engineer, right? And you click the enrollment, start a submit new ID, and then you do the email at gmail.com, right? That's another journey. Lots of user story here, right? Yeah. You guys remember, you guys did all of this? Lots of user story here. Ton of field. Correct? Mm-hmm. So that part is done. So before this come, people either have to do the sign up. Right? Yeah, if you don't have an account. Correct. So sign up, you have to do the sign up. Then you have to do the authenticate yourself. So that's another. So enrollment, sign up, sign in, we can make whole new different feature. Correct?
Mhm.
And then after people come, after student come, then we can actually make a, actually this is, we should never call the feature. We should call the epic. User panel is very big.
Yeah, user panel have multiple features on it.
Yes, a lot of features, exactly. Think about this one. Some feature is small, some feature is, my program is a lot of features, right?
My program.
This,
My program can be an epic tool. Right?
it can be features.
Not an epic?
No,
Okay. Well, I see a lot of features on my-
features can build, feature can take months to build.
Oh,
So it's good.
okay.
Feature can take 1 month, feature can take 2 months, feature can take 3 months. Doesn't matter.
But
But
On that
if team decide to say epic,
just
go
like-
for it. Good.
Mhm.
So then look at this.
So
The
it depends on
this
the
actually feature. This is
time.
actually feature because it is a lot of work here. The front end, back end, and the admin panel, database. So this is a feature. So everything you can call the feature. My purchase item is a feature. Some feature can take 1 week or 2 weeks. Some feature can take 2 months. But regardless of what we call it, the best is the more smaller you make it, the faster you can build it, and the fastest you can deploy it. Make sure. And that's actually the end goal. That's where you can sell yourself to the business. Hey, we built this feature. But if you bring a feature like the gigantic couple months, it is not you're going to add the value to the business, right?
No, then
Because at the end of the day, you need to protect your job. And to protect your job, you need to show the value to the business. To do this, you just cannot say, after 4 months, I'm going to accomplish this. That's not how it works,
no, they cannot wait 4 months.
right? So you need to make something one week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Boom, 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 boom. Things need to be done. Go, 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 go. Right?
Mhm.
So then look at this one. On the, I did not finish it. There is a new, all this button is here. Enrollment now, try for free. That's another journey. You can try for free, right? You can trial enrollment, you can do one, and you can do the, what is called the,
The one-
here, let's go see. Nope, it's different. The explore more. And you can do the, what is it? Try for free. And you can actually do it. These are already signed in. No, I want to see the affordable student loans. I want to see something different. Enroll now. Oh, yes. Enroll now. Look at this. So there is an enrollment test involved here. So this is actually the feature.
Also, take the test, get up to 500 discount.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. So this is actually the ISA application, affordable student loan. Go to the test.
Wait, did we get this edit like recently?
Go to the test, right? Not this kind of test is not for everybody.
Oh.
It only the selective. If somebody is not like a non-computer background, there is no need to do the testing. You have to, because you will not pass anything. So this is another feature. So what I'm saying, when I said that TS for you, like this is an epic, right? Landing page can be a feature. It can be an epic too. Because epic is so many features equal to epic. So all the features need to be done in order to call the epic is done. All the user stories need to be done in order to say a feature is done. All the tasks need to be done in order to say user story is done. So done concept means actually done. Done can be partial, done can be fulfilled. Partial means the done is only committed for this sprint, staging or testing. And the next is production. When something goes production all the way, then we call it done. Until then, it is not. You guys got the idea?
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys have learned quite a bit of the Scrum behavior that we will be actually, let's go see, pause it. Let me. All right, so I become the product owner now, right?
Mhm.
I just made the changes. So quite a bit things we can actually start unlocking for you guys.
Oh yes, I've been waiting.